Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Today we will show you how to renew your involuntary loss of employment ILOE insurance step by step using your phone and the Chrome browser. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to Tap and Solve. It helps us grow and continue bringing you more useful videos. Let's get started. Open the Chrome browser on your phone, tap on the search bar and type ILOE. The official ILOE website will appear at the top of the search results. Click on it. On the home page, click here, scroll down and tap subscribe or renew here. Then click on subscribe here. Now you will be taken to the login dashboard. Select private and confirm. Enter your Emirates ID number, mobile number and date of birth. Click on request OTP, then enter the OTP you received. Click submit. You will now land on your ILOE profile dashboard. Please note, earlier there were options to renew for 6, 12 or 18 months, but now only the 24-month renewal option is available. Review and confirm your profile details. Once everything is correct, click on confirm, then tap pay now. Enter your bank card details to proceed with the payment. Tip: if you have a Tabby card, you can use it too. Since it's a Visa card, you can split your payment into 4 installments. Once the card is added, click pay and enter the OTP you received to complete the process. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Tap and Solve. If you have any questions or need help, comment below. I'll definitely reply. Best of luck.